Randa, you didn't pack the toothbrush.
Did I not pack a toothbrush?
Wait, you're not in it.
Hey guys, I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
And we're vlogging. We're on our way to Yosemite for the life of the party wedding. Super excited for that.
And we're gonna take you guys with us.
But before we start, I just want to say how the day started. It did not start out great. I realized that my credit card is no longer in my pocket. Little lesson, guys, do not keep your credit card in your jacket pocket. Even if it worked for like 3 years, one day it's gonna fall out and someone's gonna steal from you. And that is what happened to me. So someone spent like $156 on my card, and I was really sad, mainly because I'm just like, why would someone want to steal from people? But that's just the world we live in. And then, on top of that, I've had an ear infection for like a week and didn't finish my medicine and left it up at my grandma's house in San Francisco and had to spend $73 on new medicine. But you know what? It could be worse, right? I don't mean to complain. I felt like really sad for a second. I need to let out a good cry, but like, let's not do that. We're gonna answer some questions from Instagram while we drive because it's entertaining. And I saw a really common question was, how do you stop caring what other people think? And I think the best way to do that is to just feel good about yourself. I think it's impossible to say you never care what anyone thinks of you because you always do. I care what my friends and my family think of me. But I think ultimately the people that judge you, surround yourself with people who won't judge you. No, and I think also people think that people care a lot more than they do. Like, oh, maybe someone's gonna think this about me, and it's literally, nobody cares. Nobody's even thinking about you. Like, you're just like self-centered, like we all are, right? I mean, naturally self-centered, you have to be a little bit, but yeah, so just like stop worrying. I think the key is to remember, like you said, yeah, most people don't actually care as much as you think they do. Yeah. Somebody asked on Instagram, how is Randa dealing with her anxiety? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, you know, I've actually realized, I think this is what helps me come to terms with it. I've realized that, yeah, maybe I am a little bit more of an anxious person. Maybe a slightly, I don't want to label myself as OCD, but highly conscientious, which can go along with OCD. And when I am stressed, it triggers anxiety. But currently, the last few weeks, I have not really been that stressed, so my anxiety is actually really, really good. What are you doing, Nina? Holding my medicine in my ear. We just stopped at Whole Foods. Yes, we did, and I just ate 1.5 pounds of food. Because you know how much it was? They measure it at the Hot Bar, and it was 1.5 pounds of food, so I'm really full. So you spent like 20 bucks? I spent 15 actually. Oh no, I spent $20 including the kombucha. It's a little special treat from Whole Foods. We have 2 more hours till we get to Yosemite. It's nice that the Whole Foods is the halfway point. We just picked up some groceries, and now we gotta keep driving. I love that I'm just stuck like this. We're here, we've made it to Yosemite. My ear is literally worse from this elevation. Follow us though. Wow, it smells so fresh. This is what we're looking at. It's very cute. Oh, it does smell good. Wow, the smell. Got a nice little place to eat out. It just rained. Ta-da! I just fell. Turn lights off when leaving. Yes, we're gonna up the environment. Check this out. This is the first time we're seeing it. I'm just trying to not drop this thing. Okay, got the laundromat. Mess for us. Well, that's weird. Aww. Oh, we got ourselves a kitchen. Check this out. A pretty white kitchen. This is nice. This is really cute. Oh my gosh, look at this part too. So the lights aren't on. Can we turn them on? Well, yeah, because we'll waste electricity. Let's look at our view. Let's look at the view. Check this. Okay, that's cool. Nice little chill area. Nice TV. Oh, wow, nice view. Oh, wow. Oh, snap. This is a really nice view. Shit is good. What do we have in this chest? Look, Randa, there's like a chest right here. Holy, this is an amazing view. Oh, cool. We have like toys and we can play this thing. Look. Look, Randa. Yeah. Ah! fun. We can play games. It smells like the woods. If
Wait, I don't know if I locked the car.
I locked it.
Oh, okay.
Wait, actually, yeah, I did lock it. Me.
We have a bedroom.
We booked this so long ago, I don't remember what it looks like.
Oh, this is sweet. There's like a balcony in here. Should I turn the lights
you
on?
know, don't you think the smell reminds you of our grandparents or something?
Yeah.
I don't know. In a good way.
We've been to Yosemite with our grandparents. Okay.
Maybe that's why.
I just fell. Oh, we got another bedroom in here. Also nice.
Wow, look at that awesome high ceiling.
Is there another? I thought there's a third bedroom somewhere. We need to find it.
Oh wait, yeah, they said there's a special way to access it only from outside or something. But these are the main bedrooms.
We need to buy Mom a hat.
Oh, it's so nice. The sun feels so good.
That was very
Let's hit the golf course.
It's so nice!
Oh, no, now you're in the shade.
See these little condos right here? We're the one in the middle with the red.
I'm like a tennis star.
Let's see that one, Dad.
That's too big.
We just completed 4 miles of a jog. And I got these bands. I like to bring these when I travel because they're good for your arms, some good resistance training, good for the muscles, and good for the butt.
Alright, you know what you got there?
I'm modeling my lunch. We got beans, rice, sauerkraut, some lettuce. I'm gonna have a separate bowl of veggies. Put some salsa in there, sauerkraut, and some vinegar. Bowl number 2.
What happened? There's been a flood.
So were we told not to open this or what?
What is going on?
I don't know. It's a bit of a mess.
That's why those towels were there when we walked in.
Yes.
We have some very good strawberries.
We got some cool geese and a nice, this is just, I wanted to show off this cabin because it's pretty cool. Randa, would you want to live here?
It snows, so no.
That's true. What if you had
it would be lonely.
a sexy ass man with you? Would you be lonely?
I mean, if I had a sexy ass man, I think I could live here. But that's not happening.
What you got there?
The drone.
What did we name him?
Did we name him? Did you name the drone?
Should we name him? Guys, comment a name for this drone and that's what we'll name him. We've got a beautiful pre-dinner snack that is the same thing as my breakfast. Rice, beans, sauerkraut, and greens for dinner.
Wrapping up the Yosemite vlog. If you guys want to see more Yosemite vlogs, give this a thumbs up and let us know in the comments because we are going to be here for a few more days. And we're going to a wedding. Oh, also, want to say apologies for the sound. We're gonna get a Rode mic, so it's gonna be better next time. Yeah, we're using a different vlog camera, so maybe the sound is better than it was earlier. We got time for one more question. One more thing about the food. I forgot to film myself eating a bagel and maybe some extra bananas, so just throwing that out there in case, because some people are like, I want to know exact amounts, and it's like, I forgot to film the bagel at 4 a.m. If YouTube and acting weren't options, what careers would y'all have gone for? This is something I have thought about, and I honestly don't know because I like I wanted to be a dancer. I like psychology, but I don't know if I'd actually like to be a psychologist. I think kinesiology is cool. I like fitness, but I don't know if I'd actually want to do that. Stripper. What the heck?
No, I wouldn't want to do that.
I think we wanted to have like a fitness studio. Yeah, definitely something within the health and wellness realm. If you guys are also interested in health and fitness, what kind of careers do you guys go for? What are you studying in college as your major, if you are in college, or what would you like to study? I'm actually really curious to know. And the last question, as always, does one of you have a boyfriend? Yeah, it says, does Nina have a boyfriend? No. No, but I got a crush. I start to blush. When do I not have a crush? I've never not had a crush. I don't have a crush right now. What? That's not true. Who's my crush? No, I don't barely know him. Can count as a crush? Yeah, you've been on a few dates with him. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching. Again, let us know if you want more Yosemite vlogs, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! We're getting married!